This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a chrome grille, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and a rear spoiler. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
All American Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 520 River Street in Hackensack.